Situation in Texas, at least 6 dead after heavy rain caused catastrophic flooding in the central area of the state. The Guadalupe River rising 22 feet in 3 hours. At least 20 kids are reported missing who were attending a riverfront camp. Officials urging residents to shelter in place and avoid travel. We will continue to monitor the situation and keep you updated.
There is catastrophic flooding in parts of Texas. We want to take you to Kerrville. This is about 65 miles northwest of San Antonio. This is along the Guadalupe River where they are just seeing so much rain. And people who live near the river being told to seek higher ground. I know that there are a lot of camps in this area as well. Camp Mystic, for example, isn't too far from Kerrville. I know that one's in Hunt, Texas. So, definitely they're a little worried about all the flooding there. In fact, the city of Kerrville already canceling all 4th of July plans as well, as they are just dealing with what they are calling a catastrophic event. This area needed rain. They just didn't need all this rain
so fast,
this quick. And we know that there are rescues that are going on as we speak in that area too.
Yeah, the sheriff's department there responding already to several rescues in the area and warning people to get to safety if they can, if they're in that area. Kylie.
Yeah, guys, several flash flood emergencies have been issued this morning. I've been talking about this area of low pressure that developed overnight. Now, there's a little bit of science involved here that I want to mention. Whenever we make forecasts when it comes to rain, we oftentimes look at how much water in the atmosphere that it has to work with to produce these high rainfall amounts. And what's called precipitable water is what we're focused on when it comes to that accumulating rainfall. And those, they're called PWATS, is like the little acronym for that. But extremely high precipitable water amounts have been giving us this very heavy rain across parts of the south and west near the hill country this morning. So again, flood emergencies are in place for parts of Kerr County and areas south of San Angelo. Very heavy rain ongoing along I-10. And here's why those flood emergencies are in place. This is a look at rainfall totals over the last 24 to 48 hours. Just in the last 6 to 7 hours, upwards of 10 to 15 inches of rain have been allowed to fall. Again, that's going to be just south and west of the Brady area and west of Mason. So again, in that Kerr County area where those flood emergencies have been issued, and again, along the Guadalupe River, that's where we've seen that significant flooding early this morning.
Now to some breaking news out of parts of central and western Texas. At least 6 people are dead. Several more are missing due to major flooding. At least 6 inches of rain has fallen since last night, overwhelming the Guadalupe River. People who actually live near that area have been told to evacuate, move to higher ground. Police and fire crews in the community of Kerrville staying very busy right now with high water rescues. The fire department also monitoring area nursing and assisted living locations as well. As residents and staff shelter in place, shelters have been set up, we're told, for those who've been displaced by this flooding, major flooding in that area. Kerrville is about 75 miles west of Austin.